Hello and welcome back. If you're looking for the best budget-friendly dash cams to protect yourself on the road without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 budget dash cams of 2024. Let's dive in. 5. Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2. Starting off our list is the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2, a compact dash cam that's as small as a car key but packs a punch in features. It records in 1080p HD with a 140-degree field of view, ensuring a wide and clear capture of the road ahead. This dash cam includes voice control, allowing you to start recording or save footage without taking your hands off the wheel. One of its standout features is cloud storage via Garmin Drive, letting you access recordings remotely. Its minimalistic design makes it virtually invisible behind your rearview mirror. If you're looking for a low-profile, feature-packed option, the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 is a solid choice. 4. Nextbase 222 Dash Cam. Next up is the Nextbase 222 Dash Cam, a budget-friendly option from a trusted brand. It records in 1080p HD with a 140-degree field of view, ensuring sharp visuals of the road. The Click-and-Go Pro mount makes installation and removal hassle-free, perfect for those who need portability. One unique feature is its intelligent parking mode, which activates when your car is parked, providing added security. While it doesn't include Wi-Fi or app integration like higher-end models, the Nextbase 222 focuses on simplicity and reliability, making it ideal for beginners. 3. Rove R2-4K Pro. In third place, we have the Rove R2-4K Pro, an impressive dash cam for those wanting ultra-high-definition recording on a budget. It records in stunning 4K Ultra HD, ensuring every detail, from license plates to road signs, is crystal clear. This dash cam comes with built-in Wi-Fi and an accompanying mobile app, allowing you to view and transfer recordings on the go. The GPS integration tracks your location and speed, which can be helpful in case of accidents or disputes. Despite its advanced features, the Rove R24K Pro remains affordable, offering premium quality at a budget-friendly price. 2. 70 My Dash Cam A510. In second place is the 70 My Dash Cam A510, a sleek and reliable option that balances features and affordability. It records in 2.7K QHD, providing excellent clarity, and its Sony Starvis sensor ensures great low-light performance for night driving. The ADS, Advanced Driver Assistance System, provides real-time alerts for lane departure and collision warnings, adding an extra layer of safety. It also supports voice control and has built-in GPS for tracking your trips. With its compact design and cutting-edge features, the 70 May A510 is perfect for tech-savvy drivers. 1. Vantrue N2 Pro. Taking the top spot is the Vantrue N2 Pro, a dual-lens dash cam that records both the road ahead and the interior of your car. Ideal for rideshare drivers or anyone wanting comprehensive coverage, it features 1080p recording for the cabin and 1440p for the front camera. Its infrared night vision ensures clear interior footage even in low-light conditions. The loop recording feature ensures you never run out of storage, and it supports up to a 256 GB microSD card for extended recording time. The parking mode also provides 24/7 surveillance, making it one of the most versatile dash cams in this price range. There you have it, the best budget dash cams of 2024. Whether you're looking for compact and discreet or advanced features with dual lens capability, these options cover a wide range of needs without stretching your wallet. Let us know in the comments which dash cam caught your eye. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Drive safe, and see you next time.